Hello everyone, this is Amir from Frame History. Today I'll show how to get film look in a short time. It will take maximum 2 minutes. So let's make it. For this I will get help of Dehancer. Dehancer is a third party plugin. It is available for DaVinci, Final Cut Pro and Adobe Premiere Pro. I will use it in Premiere Pro. So how will install it? Just download from here and you will get it in effect panel. Just here DaVinci Pro, just drag it here and drag on the video footage. So without any work you will get a result here. So I will show only few point from all option, but you can play with this option as much as you want, and you can keep the note which option get your best result. First we have to choose the input, and from here you will choose which camera you have used for video. Like there is a lot of video camera available, you can choose from here, or you can simply make it rack 709. And our next option is you can edit with exposure if required. I'm just ignoring it for the time being. Next, I always work with vignette. I'll try to make it around -3 or 5. Just enable it. You can see it here. And after this, we'll go with most important option of here. Just go to film profile. This is here. You will get lot of option here. Just simply pick one from here and you will get an instant result. But I have tried several, but to me my one of favorite is Cine still 50D. So I can get result here. I can develop more from here, but you can choose other also, like Apka 50, but I prefer this one, Cinestal 50D. Next we'll go with film development. You can increase the contrast and work with some other option. And after this we'll go with film grain. This is really important to get film look. So this is really easy. Just enable it and choose from here. I prefer 35 mm. This is done. And another interesting option is Overscan. This is really cool. Just enable it and you can change it from here, like vertical or horizontal, normal, vertical, or if you don't like it, just remove it. So this is simple way to get a film look. It will take maximum 2 to 3 minutes. You can just, or you can get faster just from here, save as preset, and you will get it here. Just earlier I have made one, so I will use it here. Just have a look. instant result, and we can use it even our mobile phone footage. So instant result. So this is very easy to use and you will get result quickly. So now let's talk about the Dehancer. Dehancer really a helpful plugin. You can get 7 days free trial from here. Just copy the key from here and use it here, and you'll get it for 7 days. If you think this software really matter to you, get a paid version. You can choose any package from here and you will get a 10% discount with our promo code framing history. So if you want to purchase, just use our promo code to get 10% discount. And I really recommend this software to get quick result. They really made huge collection, or you can say it as a preset. You can choose anyone from here and you will get instant result. So you don't have to work with each clip. You can simply make a adjustment layer and place on all clip and just simply make here, and you will get double result as previously I have used one. So this is better. So by this way you can get film look in a very short time. If you have any more question, just feel free to ask in our comment section. I will try to help you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.